Would you pay top dollar for an all-inclusive resort? Well, we just did.
So stay with us. We're going to take you on an inside look of one of the most luxurious resorts in all of Vallarta, Nayarit. One of the things that really stood out to us was how spotless the resort is. We actually saw staff on the beach with small sifters, removing the tiniest pieces of trash from the sand. It's the kind of dedication that makes this place truly special.
And it's not just the beach. Every morning, the staff is out making sure the property looks pretty and perfect for the day. They go above and beyond to keep everything pristine. The suites here are massive, and every single one comes with a private terrace with ocean views. We stayed in a one-bedroom suite, and waking up to this every morning is unbelievable.
The bed is like sleeping on a cloud, and they even have a pillow menu so you can customize it to your liking.
The bathroom feels like a private spa with a huge rain shower and a jacuzzi tub, and the molten brown bath products that they have are really nice.
Every suite comes with a fully stocked minibar, an espresso machine, and a welcome bottle of artisanal mezcal. That's the way you welcome people.
But the most breathtaking suite we saw was the Royal Suite, which actually used to be the owner's personal suite. The balcony views at sunset were stunning. The two-bedroom suite has plenty of space to enjoy, and it feels completely over the top. One of the biggest things that made Grand Velas stand out for us is the service. The staff here aren't just friendly, they truly care about your experience.
It's all about the attention to detail, from the poolside attendants making sure your drink is always full, to turn-down service that leaves little surprises in your suite every single night. Things like that are done with care.
One of our biggest takeaways was that even though this is a family-friendly resort, it feels very upscale and peaceful. We hardly notice the kids at all because everything is designed to be elegant, well-balanced, and relaxed.
And if you're looking for a quieter experience, they have an exclusive adults-only area by the pool. It's a perfect blend of family-friendly fun and luxury relaxation.
We really enjoyed that. Now, if you're watching this and thinking, wow, I need to stay there, let us help you make it happen.
At Getaway Travel, we don't just book your trip. We take care of everything from planning to post-travel support. And the best part, our service is completely free.
So, whether it's this resort or another dream vacation, reach out to us. We'll make sure you have an unforgettable trip. Now, let's talk about one of the biggest highlights, the food. We've stayed at a lot of all-inclusive resorts, but the dining here, it's honestly some of the best we have ever had.
We had dinner at Sin Lin, and wow, it was one of the best meals we've ever had at an all-inclusive. Lisa and I both love pad thai, and this was perfectly balanced, and it was so bursting with flavor.
We also got to try a lot of appetizers during both of our meals, which gave us a really nice example of how great all their food is.
Yeah.
Frida takes traditional Mexican flavors and elevates them to fine dining. I had shrimp pasta, and Randy had a steak. He said it was one of the best he's ever had.
I don't care. I've had steaks from a lot of different places, even some of the best steakhouses here in Texas. This was one of the best, for sure. The steak was insanely tender, full of flavor, and definitely 5-star quality.
Luca is where you go for cozy Italian night. The pasta is homemade, the seafood is fresh, and everything is paired with great wine selections.
Piaf brings a touch of Paris to Mexico with elegant French cuisine, foie gras, duck confit, and creme brulee.
I can't even say those things.
Well, that's because you're not a redneck. I'm a Frenchy redneck.
Azul is your go-to for a laid-back meal right by the ocean. Whether it's fresh seafood, grilled meats, or breakfast with a view, this spot has it all. One of the things I loved was that you can have a full meal right in your pool chair. I had the beef tacos and a mango margarita, and it was perfection. And the pool attendants were so gracious and sweet.
And if you need your coffee fix, Ama has espressos, pastries, light snacks all throughout the day.
This spa Over 16,000 square feet of pure relaxation, plus their famous water ceremony that prepares your body for ultimate relaxation.
5 stars from Forbes, and honestly, it deserves every single one of them.
And did we say that their restaurants are all 5-star Forbes restaurants as well?
We did not, but we're saying it now.
Whether you're here as a couple or a family, there's something for everyone, and Grand Velas makes sure kids and teens have just as much fun as the adults do.
For the youngest travelers, there's the special Kids Club Garden designed for kids under 5. They've got us giant-sized games like tic-tac-toe, Twister, Jenga, plus fun arts and crafts to keep them entertained.
I love seeing the kids out on the lawn experiencing a picnic with Elsa. You know it.
Yeah.
Right in front of them doing a little play. It was so cool. Kids aged 6 to 12 have their own space too. The Kids Club Terrace has soccer tables, board games, and even a movie area. It's all designed to keep them entertained while parents relax.
And for the older kids, there's a teens club. This place is like a high-tech gaming lounge with big screen video game booths, air hockey, foosball, pool tables. It's the perfect spot for them to chill and have fun.
And if you're into sports, you'll love that the resort has tennis, it has pickleball, and access to some of the best golf courses in the area. Puerto Vallarta is a golfer's dream. The courses near Grand Velas are some of the best in Mexico.
And if you love the ocean, the marina is just minutes away, perfect for sunset cruises, deep sea fishing, and whale watching.
So, is Grand Velas Nayarit worth it? Absolutely. If you're looking for a resort that delivers 5-star service, world-class dining, and truly luxurious experiences, this is it.
But here's the thing, booking a trip like this can feel overwhelming. There are so many options, different room categories, flight schedules, extra to consider, but that's where we come in.
At Getaway Travel, we've been planning dream vacations like this for over 30 years. And we don't just book your trip. We take everything from start to finish at no extra charge.
And unlike booking it on your own, where you're left trying to figure things out for yourself, we're here to help you before, during, even after your trip. If something unexpected happens, you're not alone. We got your back.
So if you're ready to experience Grand Velas Riviera Nayarit or any other incredible destination, reach out to Getaway Travel. We'll make sure that your next getaway is unforgettable.
If you love hearing about the best resorts and expert travel tips, don't forget to subscribe so you'll never miss a review.
And now, if you're heading to Puerto Vallarta, make sure to check out our travel guide to the Puerto Vallarta airport. It's packed with tips. You want to have a smooth and stress-free travel. There's one thing you're going to want to see that we did that you are not going to want to do. So watch this video now.